Hey guys, today I'm making steak and I have 4 pieces and I also have my seasoning, and my seasonings are steak seasoning, garlic powder, Italian season, and some extra virgin oil. I'm leaving all the measurements of this recipe in the description box below. At this point now guys, I'm going to simply put my steak seasoning into my container. I'm leaving all the measurements in the description box below. As a Jamaican, I just eyeball my stuff all the time. Okay, my Italian season, I'm gonna go in with some allspice, some garlic powder. I don't know why I put take out the top. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix this all together. This is my rub for my steak. Okay, so before I put my season on, I'm gonna go in with my extra virgin oil. I'm gonna pour it on. This help keep the season onto the steak. I think I'm gonna need more. I'm gonna take my hands, I'm gonna base the olive oil onto the steak. You don't need to put any more on the other side because what I pour on the top is enough. The first time I'm making this steak as well, so I'm gonna do this together. All right, here's another piece right here. Take my season and just stir it on. This is the first side, you see it? I'm gonna put this down for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes just to let the salt, you know, penetrate the steak and melt right into it, because that's what happens when you put salt on the steak. To the other side. Oh my God. I'm gonna eat this with some rice and beans and some vegetables. Ooh. The last one is this piece. All right, so give this about 10 minutes to sit, and then I'll come back and show you exactly how to do your steak. This is my steak. Okay, as you see, my pot is hot. I'm gonna try and put my steak in and see the outcome of it. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna let this stir for about 5 minutes without turning it. I'll come back and show you exactly how it looks, okay? So right now I'm gonna flip my steak. It's been 5 minutes. Here we go. I'm gonna put them into some chicken stock. You can use beef stock if you want to, and I'm also gonna add in some rosemary into it. And I'll show you guys that process as well. So I'll be doing this same style for all my steak. So guys, these are the outcome of my steak. My hands are clean so I could touch them. They're not well done, even though they're thin. I'm going to place them back into the pot with some broth and rosemary with some garlic just for some sauce and extra flavor. And you realize that my pot is really small, so I'll be just doing 2 pieces. Now I have my pot on. I'm gonna go with some butter. Some butter. Normally I would have used the same oil that I fried the steak in, but it had in too much of the herb that was burnt into it, so I just changed that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going with my butter, then my garlic. So I did, so I'm going to add some chicken stock. Before I do that, I'm going to add my steak in after this butter and garlic all combined together. I'm not going to add my steak in. Like I said, I'm going to add only 2 pieces because I don't have enough space. The 2 smallest pieces. Okay, and add another piece. My good guys, it's that good. Okay, it's that good, man. I'm gonna add some more butter. Then I'm gonna add my rosemary. It's gonna take me about 3 minutes the most to get done. Fresh rosemary into the pot. I'm gonna break it. And then I'm gonna add my chicken stock. If you guys can only smell I'm gonna put maybe about a half teaspoon of chicken stock. Okay, just to add an extra flavor. Oh my god. Ooh, baby, I am done. I'm gonna cry. I'm done, man. So let this sit for about 2 minutes into the pot, guys, and then your steak is done. Just take your spoon or anything that you have and just keep putting on the juice onto the steak. And just keep flipping them if you want it to be juicy, you know, keep that moist onto them, and then you're done. What I'm making right now, guys, is some mango carrot juice. I have my carrot, which is already peeled and washed. I also have my mangoes, my ginger, and some lime juice. I'm going to simply add my carrots into the blender. I'm going to blend the carrot first, then I add my mangoes. In my blender, I have about 4 cups of water. I'm not going to blend the carrots, okay? This is the outcome of the carrot, guys. I'm not going to strain it and then blend the additional carrots, okay? This is the outcome of the carrot juice. I've added nothing to it, but just add it to the blender with some water and blend it. And then I'm now going to add my mangoes and my ginger into a cup of water. After I finish blending this, I'm going to show you exactly what I do after, okay? I'm now going to start blending, guys. So what I have here now, guys, is my mango that's mixed with the ginger and also my carrots, okay? I'm now going to strain the mango into the carrot. And then I'm going to blend it all together. So I'm now going to add my lime juice into this, and I'm going to blend it all together and put some sugar into it, and that will be the carrot mango juice. Okay, this is the outcome of the carrot mango juice, guys. I sweeten it with about 3 spoons of sugar, and just that, and it's perfect. I don't need it to be extra sweet. Okay, guys. Ooh, just with some ice, and this is gonna be perfect.